Hi everyone, welcome back. Beautiful day in Columbus, Ohio, as you can see. And we are actually making our way down to the Ohio State campus. There is actually something new by the stadium that I wanted to capture. I think it was a couple months ago, during the beginning of the college football season, Ohio State put up a tribute statue to Archie Griffin, the only two-time Heisman Trophy winner in college football history. So he is obviously a legend here at Ohio State, an icon, and I wanted to go check out this statue of him they put up right near the entrance of Ohio Stadium. So let's go head there now. As you can see, we're making our way here through campus, and I'll see you when we get there. This is the statue of the iconic Ohio State legend, Archie Griffin, the only two-time Heisman Trophy winner. And this statue was dedicated during the 50th anniversary of Griffin winning his first Heisman Trophy in 1974. Griffin rushed for a school record 1,695 yards in 1974 and helped lead Ohio State to the third of what was to become a conference record 6 consecutive Big Ten championships. In addition to winning the Heisman Trophy, he was also honored as unanimous All-American, the Big Ten Silver Football Award winner, and the UPI and Walter Camp Player of the Year. He then had similar success and accolades the following year in 1975, which led to his second Heisman Trophy. Griffin went on to play 7 seasons in the National Football League with the Cincinnati Bengals. He then came back to Ohio State and served as the assistant athletics director, and later on became the president of the Ohio State Alumni Association. His number 45 has been retired by the Ohio State Buckeyes, and he was enshrined into the Collegiate Hall of Fame in 1986, and to the Rose Bowl Hall of Fame in 1990. An absolute legend, beloved by Buckeye Nation all over the world. This is Archie Griffin. And as a lot of you know, whenever I get a chance to get back on campus, I like to look around again. So we'll start right here at the Horseshoe and continue on with a little walkthrough of the Ohio State campus.